Hi, this is Shanae with the Don Williams Group. I'm going to talk to you briefly about how you can prepare your home for a great open house right after this. Okay, step number one for having an awesome open house is you want to depersonalize your home. So it's great that you're really political and you're passionate about the candidate that you voted for last year, but you might want to take down all the paraphernalia that's associated with anything political or religious. You might even want to take down all of your family photos, just because when people come into a home, they don't necessarily want to picture you there, they want to picture themselves there. And you also don't want to turn away any potential clients because they're turned off by your personal beliefs or your personal paraphernalia. So, number one, depersonalize. Number two, you want to declutter. That means trying to take down all of the excess collectibles and artwork and decoration that might reflect you. So you don't want people to associate any kind of clutter with disorganization, because then it might send the message that maybe this person hasn't taken care of the home. Maybe the house hasn't been cared for like it should be. So we want to declutter, really make the house look clean and send the right message. And then last but not least, you want to make sure that you send the best first impression by luring people in with a pretty exterior. You want to go ahead and clean up your yard and make it look ready for spring. And then last but not least, we suggest that you err on the side of caution. So be cautious with any kind of valuables that you have placed out, anything that could be used to find out information about your identity. Because of course you want to assume everyone coming to your open house is on the up and up and a great person, but just in case, you want to be careful and try to hide anything that's of extreme value. If you have any questions about an open house or you need any kind of consultation with a realtor, contact us today at the Don Williams Group and we'd be happy to be of assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.